Hey, I'm Chef Tom.
And I'm Chef Britt with atbbq.coom.
And this is Red, White, and Q.
Hey guys, we're here at Central Standard Brewery in Wichita, Kansas.
Yeah, today we're going to be making a batch of Summer Brew, which is essentially just a large batch cocktail that consists of lemonade, vodka, and beer. And since CSB is one of my favorite breweries, we're going to be chatting with Ian, one of the owners, so that he can help us pick just the right beer. Hey.
Hey.
How's it
Hey,
going,
what's
Ian?
up, guys? How we doing?
Good to see you. Thank you
Likewise.
so much for having us.
No problem.
We kind of talked about we wanted to put together a Summer Brew, and I figured you had something special for us to try.
I do. I've got some new beers on that are tasting great. So let's step behind the bar and try a few out and see what we get.
Awesome, thank you. All right, so this Summer Brew, we're kind of going like it's a bit citrusy, right? So it's
Okay.
like a lemonade limeade base. So I like most of the time we use like a light beer, but obviously like we want something with a little bit more flavor today. So I guess I just want to get like your opinion, like maybe pick a few out. Also, probably anything that's a little bit fruity would go great.
Okay.
Just because lemonade and fruit are always good together.
Yeah, totally. Yeah, I've got a couple good ideas. I think we can't go wrong with Girlfriend.
Yeah.
It's lightly hopped, low
Right.
IBU, really nice kind of smooth mouthfeel.
For sure.
With all that wheat. So and it's got a nice kind of citrus fruit component already going on with it.
Yeah.
There you go, Britt. Give that a try.
Thank you. Got a nice hoppy profile there.
Give that
Yeah.
a try.
For sure. Yeah. You smell like citrus and hops like right off the bat.
Yeah, really nice aromatics, and I think the taste follows through.
Such a good summer drinking beer.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
really is. It's a nice one. So consider that one. If we wanted to go just have some fun and mess around with some darker fruits too,
Yeah.
we've got a new Yard Games on. It's
Yeah.
banana, blackberry, and raspberry,
That sounds really good.
and it really emulates a smoothie. So it's a lot of fun. Might be kind of out of what you were thinking, but
Right.
Hey,
I'm
let's
okay
give
with
it let's
experiments.
give it a shot.
Yeah. Wow. It pours like a milkshake.
It does. Give that one a go.
It's one of the reasons I really love you guys' breweries because of the creativity and stuff like this. What is it that you guys really like to specialize in, or is it just a little bit of everything?
Yeah, it really depends on what we want to brew, time of the year, what's in season. There are a lot of things that kind of play a role as far as what we want to
Right.
brew. But yeah, we love to kind of push the boundaries and do fun things with fruits and spices. We've got a new one that we're releasing today. It's a Saison. It's extremely dry, bone dry, and it is a really nice, relatively low alcohol summer beer. There is lemon and cara orange zest in it that just gives it a really nice, light, citrusy thing. Excuse me for the foam. It's a high carb beer, but give that a try and let me know what you think.
Oh, that's really nice.
Yeah.
Definitely very citrusy. I think we're gonna get plenty of that citrus out of the lemonade, though.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I mean, Yard Games is fantastic. I could just sit there and drink that, but I think probably is just something that's a little bit more accessible overall. I think Girlfriend might be the right pick. I mean, you'd characterize it as a wheat beer.
Yeah, I think Girlfriend is a perfect choice. I mean, when you look at a quintessential summer beer,
Yeah.
Girlfriend kind of checks all the boxes. It's 5.5%. It's got a lot of wheat in it, so it offers a really nice texture and mouthfeel. It's lightly hopped with Citra and Amarillo hops, which are going to be loaded with citrus. It's low IBU, so that's not going to interfere with your cocktail.
Sounds perfect.
I think that could be a great choice.
Feel good about that?
I think it's a great choice.
All right, well, we've got the Weber kettle fired up. The charcoal's nice and hot. We're just going to be hanging out here on the patio at CSB. Britt slicing up our citrus. We've got some lemon and lime. We're going to get some really nice sear and caramelization going on the outside of that stuff. And then we're going to put it all together. Ian's got the beer. So time for a little bit of teamwork. Let's get this going. This is always fun. You know, we've done grilled lemonades in the past and grilled shandies. The caramelization that happens when you throw citrus on the grill like that, really cool. I mean, instantly aromatic. And this charcoal is just screaming hot right now, which is great because this should go nice and fast. We'll be drinking some summer brew in no time. So this thing is just super hot right now. Like as soon as the citrus hits the grill, you can really smell it. It's very aromatic. So you can see what happens when you hit the lemon on the grill there. Just some caramelization going on. It really changes the flavor profile, brings everything alive, and it smells great. So if you guys would help me out here, Britt, can you squeeze some of those into our pitcher? Ian will have you get in there with the concentrate. We've got limeade, we've got pink lemonade, and we're just gonna go in there. We're gonna go about 1 gallon of our beer today with the 3 cans of concentrate.
Smells great. Yeah, that citrus really changes. When you cut them open, you get that big citrus burst.
Yeah.
Nice, clean, bright acidity, and then after pulling it off the grill, it really changes the whole aromatic of it.
Yeah,
you know,
it's really cool.
In a good way, you know, it's so interesting and unique.
Yeah, I've had summer brew before, but I've never had any summer brew like this. So I'm really stoked to try this.
Yeah, I'm excited.
All right, let's get a little bit of vodka in there and then we'll start adding our beer. You can go as much as 1 canister of vodka for every canister of concentrate, or you can go a little bit lighter. What's the ABV on the Girlfriend?
About 5.5.
5.5, not too bad. I say we put a couple of them in there. Why not? All right, so we're gonna top it all off with our Girlfriend and give it a good stir. And that's really all there is to it. You wanna go ahead and hit that with the Girlfriend?
Smelling great. Yeah, the carbonation in this beer, I'm excited about. You can already smell the citrus wafting up with all that CO2 breaking out of suspension. Ooh.
Yeah. But this is about as easy as a party in a pitcher gets. I mean, the grillings, well, I'll have to say you making the beer was the most difficult part.
Yeah.
But beyond that, it's pretty simple to pull off and super tasty. All right, we better call the crew because we're gonna need some help.
Yeah.
Oh.
So the great thing about these big batch cocktails is it's perfect for like 4th of July is coming up. Make a full pitcher of it and set it on the counter. We'll be at the lake hanging out. Whenever the family gets together, something like this is really easy to put together, and then you're not mixing drinks all day. You've just got a pitcher of the good stuff.
Exactly, yeah. Got, you know, free-flowing tap there. I mean, that's a party.
Yeah, let's grab some glasses, maybe a little bit of ice, and pour some drinks. All right, shall we have a taste?
Yes.
Yeah. Looks amazing, man. The presentation in that jar is great, man.
I love the char. I really do. It's gonna add a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Go.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh, it's refreshing.
Oh,
Wow.
yeah, refreshing. Man, that char coming through with that citrus.
Appreciate you so much for having us. You guys have some fantastic beers here, and it's really cool to get out into the community and to get to do stuff like this with you. We really appreciate you coming on this journey of Red, White, and Q. This is gonna be our last episode of this series, and I can't think of a better way to wrap it up.
It's been really great running around town, meeting all these great local vendors with wonderful ingredients that we've just had a privilege to create wonderful dishes with.
We loved getting to do this series. We hope you guys enjoyed it too. Please let us know if you'd like to see more of this stuff. And please get out there in your communities and do the same thing. If you guys have any suggestions for us, always feel free to let us know. We're always looking for the next recipe, their next place to visit. And if you would, just do us a solid and head over to atbbq.coom. Check out everything that we've got for sale over there, from seasonings to grills to the glasses we're drinking out of. Every purchase you make at atbbq.coom helps us to do more content like this. Thank you guys so much for joining us. We'll see you next time.